Today, we are going to see the preparation of chicken satay, an easy recipe from a chef with over 30 years experience. This preparation can easily be done at home. Welcome to Whada Gravy. Here we have our chef Wayan, who has very kindly assented to show us a few of Bali's traditional preparations. For the preparation, he has taken 500 grams of chicken breast, washed and cleaned. Cut the chicken breast into large-sized pieces. This is going to be pulsed in the mixer jar. Add half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Take 3 pods of peeled garlic, crush and add to the cut chicken pieces. Add 1/2 of the chicken to a mixer jar and pulse until it is well ground. Transfer to the bowl. Add the other half with the crushed garlic. Add half a teaspoon of coconut oil and pulse as before. Add to the bowl. For the spices to be added, Chef Wayan has kept ready 2 pods of large-sized peeled garlic, some fresh chilies, 2 small chilies of the spicy variety, and 2 chilies which are medium spicy. Here in Bali and Indonesia, they generally prefer their food hot and spicy. And 1 teaspoon of shrimp paste. Shrimp paste is made from finely crushed shrimp mixed with salt and fermented for several weeks. This is regularly used in all their cooking. To this, add salt as required. Add all of this to the blender. Add a little bit of water and grind to a fine paste. Transfer the paste to the bowl. Squeeze half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Add 2 tablespoons of fried onions. Shallots or small onions are widely grown here and the most preferred. Mix everything well. Check for the consistency and for salt and spices. Bamboo sticks or skewers are most commonly used here for satay preparation. Wash the bamboo sticks. Apply a few drops of coconut oil onto the plate. Take a little bit of the chicken mix and roll around the top portion of the bamboo stick. Use as many skewers as required for the chicken prepared. Satay is meat seasoned with local herbs and spices, skewered, grilled, and served with a sauce, generally either soy or peanut sauce. Here, our chef is going to fry it in oil. Heat a pan with oil. When the oil becomes hot, place the sticks in the oil so that the meat portion gets immersed in the oil. Fry for some time and then turn it around for the other side to get fried. Satay preparation is believed to have originated in Java, Indonesia, but has now become popular in many places, and hence you have a wide variety of satay recipes available. Remove when both sides are done. Satay is generally served with rice, curry, a dip, and pickled vegetables. If you enjoyed watching the video, press the like button and subscribe for more such interesting recipes. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you next week with another interesting Balinese recipe from Chef Wayan.